निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
Popular institution of the city. However, the task of nourishing and bringing up to its present glory fell upon the shoulders of Sri Motilal Thakur, President, and Sri R.S. Sharma, Academic Director of the school. Within a short span of 8 years, this school has earned a good name for itself in the holy city of Ajmer. Along with a beautiful and splendid building, it has the topmost infrastructure. हमारे यहाँ लगभग 1700 स्टूडेंट्स अध्ययनरत हैं, जिन्हें 65 सुयोग्य कर्मनिष्ठ शिक्षकों द्वारा शिक्षित किया जाता है, जिनका सहयोग 26 परिश्रमी एंसिलरी स्टाफ करते हैं. The school possesses a fleet of its own 9 buses and a van with 13 attached vehicles, which cover almost all the prominent routes in the town as well as Pushkar. अत्याधुनिक सुख सुविधाओं से युक्त HKH विद्यालय ऐसा भवन है जिसमें 59 कमरे, विभिन्न विषयों से संबंधित पृथक प्रयोगशालाएं and supportive atmosphere where the individual needs of each child like health, safe and stimulating environment for their proper growth are met as far as possible. Keeping this view in mind, our teachers do their best to keep their students involved and attentive in the lesson being taught. In the classroom, they make sure that there is proper interaction between them and students, and all the teaching learning process is effective, even if it is done using simpler teaching aids like chalk and blackboard. स्कूल के हर दिन की शुरुआत माँ सरस्वती और स्वामी हिदाराम जी के आशीर्वाद से होती है. It is only because of their kind blessings that the school is flourishing by leaps and bounds day by day. ज्ञान के लिए प्रवेश, सेवा के लिए प्रस्थान, इस सिद्धांत के परिपालन हेतु ही छात्रों के लिए HKH विद्यालय की स्थापना की गई है. छात्रों के आधार को मजबूती देने का सबसे अनुपम व साहसिक कार्य श्री मोतीलाल जी ठाकुर, प्रेसिडेंट, विद्यालय की छवि को बेहतर बनाने का उत्तम प्रयास किया है. He remains very vigilant and active and keeps a watch on school's activities. He works for the academic and moral growth of students. With his energetic and confident approach, the school has witnessed many positive changes in the students' behavior. His past experiences and foresightedness and a strong grasp over child psychology help him in handling every situation perfectly. Under the effective control and guidance of Mrs. Reena Karna, the headmistress, the functioning of the primary section goes on smoothly and efficiently. इन्होंने अपने अद्भुत कौशल व नायाब जज्बे से विद्यालय की बढ़ती प्रसिद्धि में सहयोग दिया है. Her motherly affection and care shown towards students make them feel at home. She continuously discovers new ways and approaches to provide best of things to the students. This is the office of the school. Physical changes to provide the latest practical experience in the field. आधुनिक तकनीकी परिवेश में छात्रों को समुचित विकास हेतु कंप्यूटर लैब का निर्माण किया गया है। एयर कंडीशन से युक्त इस लैब में 35 कंप्यूटर्स हैं, जहां प्रत्येक विद्यार्थी 2 टीचर्स के दिशा निर्देश पर स्वतंत्र रूप से प्रैक्टिकल करते हैं तथा प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाते हैं। वर्ष 2010-11 के वार्षिक उत्सव पर कंप्यूटर टेक्निक से प्रिंसिपल सर की एनुअल रिपोर्ट तथा प्रोजेक्टर की सहायता से एनुअल फंक्शन के प्रोग्राम्स हेतु पर्दों का भी निर्माण किया गया था। इंटरनेट फैसिलिटी is also available in this lab, through which students get access to modern high technology. This is a physics room of our school, where various experiments are being conducted under the supervision of our physics teacher. The lab has adequate space and the experimental equipments are in vent condition. The best example of this is the connection of the school with the Smart Class project of the Educom company. Educom Smart Class is a technology-oriented initiative for schools. It provides tools and content for interactive, self-paced learning by students, as well as rich media presentations for teacher-led classroom learning. Smart Class is transforming the way teachers teach and students learn in the school. Its content is available for nearly all classes and for all subjects. Regular trainings are provided to the teachers of the school by resource persons regarding the use of Smart Class and the latest development in the contents. The teachers get their queries solved and learn to make learning an enjoyable experience for students. The installation of the interactive DigiBoard system has made the teaching learning process more user-friendly. विद्यार्थियों के ऑलराउंड डेवलपमेंट के लिए और स्वावलंबन, डिसिप्लिन, परोपकार, सहनशीलता, लीडरशिप आदि क्वालिटीज़ का विकास करने के लिए स्काउट एंड गाइड की एक्टिविटी भी स्कूल में आयोजित की जाती है, जिसमें बॉयज़ और गर्ल्स बढ़ चढ़कर हिस्सा लेते हैं। Through this, the school tries to provide a junior army who could provide their services to the country as and when required. To keep the students fit, active and strong, the school provides them the most modern gymnasium with latest machines to work out on. PTI टीचर की देख-रेख में स्टूडेंट्स विभिन्न तरह की कसरत, वर्जिश, व्यायाम करते हुए खुद को स्वस्थ व तंदुरुस्त बनाते हैं। Interested students are also allowed to avail this facility in the evening classes from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. On regular basis, children are taken to visit various places and tours are conducted for their games and various races, which makes the audience go spellbound. During sports day, some interesting races are also there, in which faculty members along with academic director sir are seen participating with great mirth and enjoyment. Sports day becomes a day of fun and frolic for one and all present in the school campus. Every year, exhibition of models and charts, projects, etc. prepared by the students under the guidance of the teachers is organized. They prepare beautiful and appealing projects and models on subjects like science, social science, maths, art and craft, language subjects, computer, etc. These exhibits receive great applause from guests and parents, and they appreciate the work of our students. Various important cultural and national festivals are celebrated with great enthusiasm and excitement in the school. विद्यालय में
दुख न किसी को दिया करो, जो दुनिया का मालिक है नाम उसी का लिया करो। अल्लाह ही अल्लाह किया करो, दुख न किसी को दिया करो। अल्लाह ही अल्लाह किया करो, दुख न किसी को दिया करो। जो दुनिया का मालिक है, नाम उसी का लिया करो। अल्लाह ही अल्लाह, अल्लाह ही अल्लाह, ओ अल्लाह ही अल्लाह।
सिंधियुनि जो पटको सो रहबादा हम जो जमालो जतन सां अहीअ सिंधड़ी सुहिणे लाल जी अजे में रोज़ो लाल थी फजो हम जो जमालो जतन सां ओ जमालो
तू डोल रे मस्ती में डोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे नहीं ऐसे भी सोचो ना, सोचो सूरज रोज नहाए या आओ। धरती सुनहरी अंबर नीला हो, धरती सुनहरी अंबर नीला, हर मौसम रंगीला। ऐसा देश है मेरा, हो ऐसा देश है मेरा, ऐसा देश है मेरा, हाँ ऐसा देश है मेरा। आजकल किसी को वो टोका
with boldness. Awareness about the preservation of earth is carried out through the slogan of our school, which is Save the Earth. The burning issue of the present times, that is, the environmental degradation, is rendering the earth barren and hollow. So an attempt has been taken by the school to restore the earth's glory through various environmental programs where students show their vigilance and alertness. The school publishes its own magazine named Reflection twice a year in the months of August and March respectively, which reflects the various activities going on throughout the year in the school. रिफ्लेक्शन में स्कूल की विभिन्न एक्टिविटीज, प्रोग्राम आदि के साथ छात्रों और शिक्षकों के अनुभव, सेल्फ कंपोज्ड पोएम्स और आर्टिकल्स, इम्पोर्टेंट इंस्ट्रक्शंस एक्सेट्रा का प्रकाशन किया जाता है। आफ्टर द क्लासेस गेट ओवर, स्टूडेंट्स रश cheerfully towards their home and spread their wings.
लगा है तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं।